Third number operation is time reversal. So how can you define this time reversal? The time reversal of a continuous time signal is given by or represented by continuous time signal. Suppose xt. Okay, you write xt in between. Suppose xt is represented by yt equal to x of minus t. Here minus n will become minus t. Okay, so you can say you should know what is time reversal. Okay, in time shifting means it shifted the signal to the right or left. Scaling means the signal compression. Okay, compress or expand. It will reduce its time duration or expand its time duration. That is called time reversal. Okay, what do you mean by time reversal then? Okay, time reversal means it's like a folding image. Okay, it's folding image, or you can say it is like a mirror image with respect to the y-axis. Okay, if you place a mirror in the y-axis, the signal is folded its signal to the left. Okay, by plotting only you can able to understand. Okay, let me give the meaning. Okay, first, time reversal is, you can say, time reversal means a folding signal you can say it is a folding signal or a reversal signal. Okay, it is like a mirror image. You can write as a mirror signal also. Okay, so let me give example with a problem. Let me show an example with a problem. Okay, suppose a continuous time signal xt is given by similar problem that is 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, this is, suppose xt is given, this is, then what will be the x minus t or yt? What will be the x minus t? The amplitude will be 4. To draw the signal, the question is plot x of minus t. Okay, so solution would be, to plot this signal, you should first equate this minus t, then modified time, modified the independent variable, that is the quantity which is in between this bracket. Okay, that is, give me 1 minute. So to solve this problem, you should go the how we solve the time shifting and time scaling problem. What I said that you should equate this minus t with the given instant. Okay, you should like minus t should minus t equal to 0 first you get, then new time for the plot will be t equal to 0 only. Minus t when you equal to 2, then new plot will new time instant for the x minus t is minus 2. When minus t you equate equal to 4, then new time instant is minus 4. When you equate minus 4 equal to 6, okay, new time instant is minus 6. Now you can plot. When t this is t, this is x of minus 2, we are plotting for x of minus t. So when t equal to 0, it is 0 only. When t equal to 2, it is minus 2. It is come here, and signal will be up to like this. When t equal to 4, here it will come for minus 4. And when t equal to 6, it's come for minus 6. So up to minus 4, it will like this. And up from minus 4 to minus 6, it is like this. Okay. So, and amplitude will be remain same. We are not performing any operation in the amplitude. So you can see now that it is a folding signal with respect to the y-axis. Okay. Or you can say that it is a mirror image. When you place a mirror in y-axis, so you will see the signal like this only. So you can say it is a mirror image also, or you can say it is a reversal signal. So I think this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then come to solve some problem. Plot suppose u minus t, r minus t, and r minus t plus 3. You try to plot this signal. These are in functional form, okay, and the duration of the signals are up to infinity. Okay, and here no need to compare with each of the instant time below. Here time instant is given. That's why I have solved with this 4 steps, and after that I have get this instance below, time instant below. But to solve for the this functional representation, you should know the concept. You should know the concept that it will be nothing but a mirror image. That is the concept. So like u of minus t, let me solve only, and you also try in your copy to draw the u of minus t. First you draw the u of t, and what is u of t you should know. U of t right now you should know. Ut minus ut represent unit step signal, and how to draw unit step signal? It is exist for only positive time duration up to infinity, and the amplitude of the signal is nothing but 1. So what will be the u of minus t then? Okay, u of minus t, then I have saying that when you place a mirror in the y-axis, then it is a reflection of that image, or it is a mirror image. So u of minus t will be like this. Amplitude will be 1 only, but it exists for only minus t below time instant. Okay. Similarly, you can draw r of minus t. What is r? You should know first. R is a ramp signal. Ramp signal means a constant slope of 1. Slope of 1. This is r of t. Then you can plot the r of minus t. Very easy if you know the things. Otherwise, it will confuse you. Okay, it will maybe you feel that it is very difficult subjects. But when your concept is clear, these are a very easy topic. Okay, like here we have to draw r of minus t. So I am saying that r of minus t is nothing but it is a mirror image. Okay, when you place a mirror in the y-axis, okay, it's like a mirror of the initial signal. It is like that. Okay, it exists for only minus t. Similarly, here a little concept you required. Okay, minus t plus 3. Two operation I have given in this problem, so it may confuse you. Then also let me solve this one. It is plus 3 means reversal is there in the problem as well as shifting problem also there. Okay, if some problem is given like this, little tricky, but when your concept is clear, you can draw this signal. Okay, first off, you simplify this signal, simplify the signal, writing like this: r of minus you common, then t minus 3. Okay, now your problem will be solved. First of all, you should draw the RT first. RT will be only positive constant slope for the positive time duration. From here you should go. First reversal has come, no? Minus has come. So you first you minus the signal, means you make a reversal signal. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, this is little tricky, but question will come like this only. It will not come very easy. Okay, draw a u minus t or r minus t. It will the question will come given in combined form. All the operation you should know how to perform. Okay, so here r of minus t plus 3. Now since you can see that, okay, not plus, minus t minus 3, you can see that minus 3 is there. Minus means it will shift the signal to the right. So signal shift to the right means it is start from here, 3 t, and the slope will remain same with this r minus t. So the plot of this r minus t plus 3 is this last one. That is it is a negative slope, and it is ending at t equal to 3. I think this is clear. Anybody has any doubt, you can ask. Who is this? Who is this? If it is clear, let's go for fourth number operation. That is amplitude scaling. Okay, this is very easy, not so much. Then this concept already you have. So amplitude scaling of a continuous time signal xt. Suppose the continuous time signal is xt is given by yt equal to a of xt. The multiplication factor with xt is nothing but it is set as a amplitude. Okay, so when a greater than 1, okay, yt is nothing but a amplification. Okay, amplification means is it increases amplitude. That is called amplification, or amplification version of the xt. Okay, you can say amplification signal. When a greater than 0 and less than 1, yt is a attenuation signal. Attenuation means it decreases amplitude, okay? And when a less than 0, then yt would be is a inversion of signal. Inversion signal. Inversion means it changes amplitude. Okay, if something +2 is there, inversion means it will be come as a -2, like that. Let me give one example here only. Come to the next slide. First is let take a equal to 4. Okay.
Sir, one show the previous slide, sir.
Okay. When a greater than 0, let me take like this. Okay, if a signal is given x of t, okay, whose amplitude is 1, this -2 to 2, it exists. When a greater than 2 means a equal to suppose equal to 2, okay, there then its amplitude will be increased up to 2. This is twice x of t, okay. It amplitude will only increase, but it will not change its time duration, okay. The duration of the time will fixed. Why this duration is fixed? I'm saying earlier 3 operation. Okay, earlier 3 operation will deal with this independent variable, means t, something t minus 10 or t plus 10 or something twice t, or minus t. But here nothing which perform with this time value. Okay, that's why the duration of the time will be fixed, but the amplitude will be changed for the fourth number operation that is called amplitude scaling. When a is greater than, then its amplitude increase from 1 to 2, like that. Suppose same signal only 1 minus 2 to 2, this is xt, and here suppose a equal to 0.25, okay. Then what will be the amplitude of this signal? Can you say?
.25.
Here the amplitude of the signal also 0.25. This is for 0.25 of xt, okay. Suppose a similar signal is there, amplitude 1 minus 2 to 2, okay, but a is given as a -1, okay. When, or you can say when multiply this a with the xt, what will be the signal? You can say like that also. The signal will exist. This -2 to 2 duration only, the amplitude will be -1. This is the minus x of t. Is it understand? Any doubt? Okay, we already explained 4 types of operation. One is time shifting, time scaling, time reversal, and now I have explained about time amplitude scaling. Okay, so 2 more properties there, that is signal addition and signal multiplication. Those are also very easy. And it's time, it's already 2 o'clock. And class chair, can you give the attendance at the end of this class? And if you have any doubt, you can ask.
1 minute, sir. I'll take the screenshot.
You have sent.
1 minute, 1 minute, sir. Don't end the meeting. I'll take the screenshot.
Yeah, give it. And if student, you have any doubt, you can ask. You should interact in the class, because it will clear your concept. Okay, if some doubt is there, that will clear your concept. Okay, you should ask the questions.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please explain for the rect of t minus 4?
Okay.
Is the values between plus 9 by 4 to minus 9 by 2? I mean, plus 9 by 2 to minus 9 by 2?
Question is a react of
T
what?
minus 4. T minus 4 or t plus 4?
Okay, t minus 4. This
Yes,
is
sir. Mm.
okay. So for this, you should know what is react as well as what is this shifting time shifting property. Here, time shifting property will be used, as well as you should know the rectangular signal to draw. Okay. So solution would be first you draw the rectangular signal first. Okay. React t. The react t is exist from minus half to half, and amplitude will be 1. Okay. So I am saying when react t minus 4 is there, t minus 4 means the signal is shifted to the right. Okay. How much quantity it will shift? Up to the quantity will be minus 4, or you can say t naught equal to 4. This t naught quantity only it shift to the right. Okay. So what you will do? You should plus minus half plus 4 you should do first. What will be the value? 2 minus 1 plus 8. Okay, 2 minus 1 plus 8 would be 7 by 2. Okay, and plus half plus 4 will be how much? 2, 1 plus 8 means
9 by 2.
9 by 2. So signal will be shift up to right side. How many quantity? Up to 7 by 2 to 9 by 2. Okay, this is the ultimate result. So I think it's clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.